Most people think content creation means endless filming and editing. But what if I could create the content for you and still make you money? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 real ways people are getting paid with AI-generated content and exactly where you should start today, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where smart tools turn into real income. Today, we're breaking down how to make money with AI content creation. That's right, no camera, no editing skills, and no audience required. We'll show you how AI content makes money. Here's the key mindset shift most people miss. You don't make money from AI content itself. You make money by solving content problems for people who already pay for solutions. The first way to make money with AI content is by selling it as a service. This is the fastest way to get started and generate cash flow. High-demand examples include social media captions, short-form video scripts, blog posts, and email content. Businesses need this every day. Your workflow is simple. An idea goes into ChatGPT. You lightly edit the output, deliver the content, and you get paid. You're selling speed and consistency. You can start on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or by reaching out directly to small businesses that desperately need content help. The second way to make money is by building AI-powered content channels. This is where content becomes a long-term asset. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram reward consistent content with reach, ad revenue, and long-term opportunities. A simple workflow uses ChatGPT for the script, an AI voice for narration, and an AI video tool for the visuals. You never have to be on camera. This method takes longer than freelancing, but it scales much bigger, building something that earns even when you're not actively working. The third way to make money with AI content is by selling AI-generated digital products. This turns AI content into passive income. AI can help you create templates, prompt packs, guides, and planners. You build the product once and sell it over and over again. For example, use ChatGPT to create a 30-day content planner, design it in Canva, and sell it on Etsy or Gumroad. You're selling saved time, not just files. If you're just starting out, here's the smartest order to follow to maximize your success. Start with AI content services to generate fast cash flow and validate your offerings. Use that income to build AI content channels, and then package what works into profitable digital products. That's how content turns into systems. AI content creation is not a trend. It's a valuable skill stack that can build real, sustainable income. Mastering AI content creation will position you perfectly for the future of digital work. If you want a clear starting point, download the free AI Money Starter Kit. It walks you step by step through your first AI income workflow.